Hello friends, you are welcome to this channel. You very well know that hair holds the power to captivate, and its care becomes an exquisite ritual. Choosing the best hair care products depend on your hair type and concerns, but here are 3 highly rated Indian options available on Amazon India and Flipkart. Nourishing shampoo and conditioner for all hair types. Mamaearth Onion Hair Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Sulfate-free, enriched with onion extract for growth and strength. Suitable for all hair types, especially dry and damaged. Reduces hair fall and frizz, adds shine and softness. Deep conditioning treatment for dry and damaged hair. Juicy chemistry, Argan and Macadamia hair mask. Rich mask with argan oil, macadamia oil and shea butter. Deeply nourishes and repairs dry, damaged hair. Improves hair texture and adds shine. Ayurvedic scalp treatment for dandruff and itchy scalp. Keratin herbal hair oil. Classic Ayurvedic oil with amla, bringraj and neem. Addresses dandruff and itchiness, promotes hair growth, cools scalp and controls dandruff. Check the video description below and visit the product detail page from the links provided. Also find the best price offer if you decide to buy online. Bonus tip: check user reviews and ratings before buying. Consider your hair type and concerns. Look for natural and gentle ingredients. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your chosen products and give them time to work their magic. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day every day and stay blessed. Thank you.